how facts and skills connect. There's no single best way to organize things as it depends on the topic and how different people learn. Learners and handmade ideas about how to structure knowledge effectively.
So, for example, no, nag-discuss ka. So, parang kung ano yung estudyante, magbubuan ka. So, like, una-una ka lang sa iyo, mo, para dali na kuha ang information. So, like, for example, no, like, solar system. Solar system, di ba? Solar system is nakita lang ng mga pictures, mga ano lang, pero mas dali na siya basta at least ka nang naay ka ng kapatid ko ng bulo, buwawan, di ba? Yes, vlog, like, nanganagag, magpakita ka kung anak, para mas dali masabtan sa estudyante kung asa siya makuhaan, siya mag-part ng anak. So next is effective
Teach these in order that listening laws from easy to hard, but know that not everyone learns the same way. The order to teach E and it together help or confuse students. The spiral curriculum is like teaching the same basic ideas over both times, adding more details each time, so everyone really understands.
Okay, so, paano? Dahil ka na sama sa itong ibuan na ron. Siyempre, nagsobot mo dito sa sayo, ito naman ito sa episode. So, like for example, ang elementary, di ba? Ang elementary sa maths, sa grade 2, magsobot sila sa addition until makabalo sila. So sa teacher, sige nagbalik-balikon, tama nakabalo ang estudyante sa addition until mo-diretso siya sa subtraction. Tama nabot sa multiplication and division. So, muna ang effective sequence. So, next is reinforcement. Can you please reinforcement rewards the continuation of
before we proceed, I will ask you something. For you, what is categorization? must have what things an object needs to be in category. So like a car needs an engine and 4 wheels. So bisan unsa ang imuhang makunan ang sakyanan, makunan din na siya, makunan din mo an object, for example, an object to be included in the category is a car. It must have engine, 4 wheels, and be a possible means of transportation. And the second one is describes how the criterial attributes are combined. The third rule assigns weight to various properties. Example, it could be a car even if a tire was missing. Pwede siya mahimong sakyanan tapos bisan ang walay ligid. Kaya pwede lang po siya, mahimo na po siya, for example, kanang itong travel sa kanang naasa. Mahimong cargo ba? Tantay mo, kanang ang cargo van, wala naman nailigid, pero matawag na po siya, bisan madala siya overseas, makuan ka po siya, ma-use ka po siya as even if a tire was missing and if it was used for hauling cargo, it would be shifted to different category of truck or perhaps van. So the fourth rule sets acceptance limits on attributes. Some attributes can vary widely, such as color. Others are fixed. So, for example, a vehicle without an engine is not a car. Likewise, a vehicle with only 2 wheels would be included in car. So there are several kinds of categories. Categories include objects based on their attributes or features. So, gusto man niyo share about identity categories. So, i-receive na gihapon na siya itong categorization bitaw nga. Every level, lain man ang tuan, lain man ang tuan ito. For example, kung ikaw bright, napugin pa sa una, diba na may section A, B, C. Ang A, pinaka-bright, ang second is middle, ano ba? Ang third, wala to sa mga lower na tulingan. Ito, wala kita makaroon, i-mix sila para wala na yung kanang tuan, wala na yung mabuli or wala yung ma-discriminate ba. And then, equivalent categories. So, provide rules for combining categories. Equivalence can be determined by affective criteria, which render objects equivalent by emotional reactions, functional criteria, based on related functions. So, ang equivalence po, daghan po siya o kanang it means po siya having the same value, pero pwede po siya mahimong ba? For example, our money is, for example, US dollar. Ang $1 dito is equivalence for us here is 55 pesos. Muna siya na yung value. Equivalent categories. Naba may ika-share, kakto ba po? And then, third is coding systems. Coding systems is are categories that serve to recognize sensory input. They are major organizational variables in higher cognitive functioning. Going beyond the meaning of sensory data involves making inferences on the basis of related categories. So related categories for a coding system, these are hierarchical arrangement. So if we will put the open up coding system, kung na siya, na ikanang po siya o kanang klase-klase coding system. If we're talking about computer, di ba na i-coding code? Namin i-coding coding system. So, if we talk about kung sa kalagitaw, for example, nasa kanang nasa sa dako nga kanang bitaw, or ako kanang store. Ano ba? Kanang store na. For example, nako din different ka coding code. Di ba? So, kung magbutang ka o coding nga, for example, ang red is R, B is blue, and G is green, and then butaran ko na siya number. Kung saan na siya ang klase nga kanang
Not shake, not shake.